Lexy. I'm a junior here at Illinois State University, and I'm going to be showing you through day in my life. I have class in about an hour, so I'm going to get some breakfast, get ready for the day, and clean my room. As a student, it's important to start off your day with a nice meal. And for mine, I have my peanut butter, banana, honey tortilla, and I have a cup of coffee. My first class doesn't start for another 5 minutes. It's a 9:35 to 10:50 class, and it is online, so I get to do it from my apartment.
That is my communication that I'm broadcasting.
So I just finished my first class on Zoom, and I have a couple hours till my next class. I'm gonna go get changed and then head to the gym. So normally I'd be going to our rec center, but I'm just gonna be walking to the gym that I have in my apartment today. I just got back from the gym, and I'm gonna shower, get ready, and then make some lunch before class. I just made lunch, and for lunch I'm having a grilled cheese sandwich, some meat and cheese, some pickles, and some berries. Alright, I'm getting ready to leave class soon, so I'm going to show you guys what I have. I have my planner. I usually bring like one big notebook, my pencil box with like my pens and pencils, my computer, which I do want to work on, and then make sure you bring a water bottle because it's hot out, so it's important to stay hydrated. So now I'm walking to class with my roommate, and we're going to class. Class just ended, so I'm on my way home. I'm about to start my third class, and it's actually an all-online class that doesn't meet on Zoom or anything, and it's really nice to be able to just do it on like your own time. Okay, it's around 10 p.m. I just got ready for bed. It was a really busy day. I went to classes, I went to the gym, I got some textbooks, I went to dinner, and it was really fun taking you guys with me for a day in my life.